Hi there, you made it to the Coffee Buzz Club channel. In this video, we will talk about our 3 best picks of organic and ethically sourced medium roasted whole coffee beans. When we talk about coffee, common people normally think of instantly made coffee, not coffee beans, not brewing or roasting. People don't know that organically made coffee is the best tasting and the healthiest option. When deciding which coffee suits you best, you must know what kinds of roasted whole bean coffees are purely organic and are sourced ethically. We'll list some of the best of those categories here for your convenience and for you to be the judge of which pack of coffee beans suits you best. What is organic coffee? How is it different from conventional coffee? One might think, how are they different? Well, in this video explains how organic coffee is entirely different from the conventional coffee we buy at our local stores. First, conventional coffee is among the most heavily chemically treated foods in the world. It is steeped in synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, herbicides, fungicides, and insecticides, a real mouthful with a bad taste. Not only does the environment suffer from this overload, but so do the people who live in it. Farmers are exposed to a high level of chemicals while spraying the crops and while handling them during harvest. The surrounding communities are also impacted by chemical residues in the air and water. These chemical presences are not just unpleasant, many are highly toxic and detrimental to human health. In the case of organic coffee, there are no synthetic fertilizers or chemicals used in growing or production, which means cleaner beans, air, land, and water. The coffee is grown with only organic fertilizers, like coffee pulp, chicken manure, or compost. Organic farms also combat climate change by emitting less carbon than chemical farms, while also sequestering significant amounts of carbon. As a bonus, organic coffee beans are richer in healthful antioxidants, and many people can even taste the difference. Your health, and the health of the planet, both get a boost. Organic coffee is essentially better compared to conventional coffee. Conventional made coffees are usually doused with chemicals and synthetics, and being a wise consumer, you shouldn't settle for these conditions. Now that you know the difference between the two, let's go over the list of these few organically sourced medium roasted whole coffee beans. Top 3 selections for medium roasted organic coffee. There are many coffee beans out there that you may find likable, but these top picks might change your mind. In the following post presents a fine selection of a variety of roasted whole coffee beans. These 3 medium roasted picks could entice your taste buds. Lifeboost Organic Coffee. Lifeboost coffee is our top choice for best organic coffee beans. The coffee is exquisite. It is certified organic, single origin from small farms in Nicaragua, from a single farm versus blended, certified kosher, fair trade, shade grown to maturity, elevation grown a mile above sea level, pesticide-free, non-GMO, naturally low acid, and handpick only the biggest and best beans of the lot. Quote, "One of the things that the brand focuses on, is making sure they are well below the FDA standards for mold and mycotoxins. It has a rich chocolate white caramel flavor that is super smooth. You can tell it is ultra low acid. Plus, there is no bitter aftertaste." Lifeboost is also part of the patron sponsors of rainforesttrust.org, where 100% of donations go directly to conservation and protection of wildlife. There is one small downside: this coffee is on the more expensive side. But as you coffee lovers know, superior quality often comes with a price jump. The Lifeboost organic coffee pretty much has everything you need in an organically grown coffee. Rich chocolate caramel flavor, no bitter aftertaste, not to mention they hand-pick only their largest beans. However, the previous top pick might have a staggering amount for the price despite how rich the flavor is, but another pick from this post explains how this pack of beans is the best among the rest. Death Wish Coffee. Not only is Death Wish coffee organic, but the company also has fair trade practices. It is of blended origin and includes both Arabica and Robusta beans for the sake of caffeination. Oh yeah, did we mention it is touted as the most caffeinated coffee in the world? Their mission statement also includes a commitment to sustainability, a conscious choice that they go into depth about here. With Death Wish, not only do you get a surprisingly smooth cup with much less bitterness than its competitors, but you also get a company that is committed to ethical engagement in the coffee market. The previous post selection is more merciful when comparing the price difference of the previous picks. Death Wish Coffee abides by their commitment to their mission to bring a sustainable and conscious company. which I think should also be what you would consider in buying a product as a conscious consumer yourself. The first two picks were phenomenal, however, the third selection from this post offers a Colombian blend of rich flavors and an eco-friendly practice of growing coffee beans. Java Planet Colombian Organic, Medium Dark Roast. These coffee beans are of Arabica nature and it originates from Colombia. A good organic coffee company like Java Planet has their coffee products certified in their fair trade practices, and guarantee that the brand consists of non-GMO products and advertise their connections with environmental groups. The brand works with the Smithsonian Migratory Bird Center to provide shade cover for their coffee beans and biodiversity for the local animals. Java Planet is certified by the Rainforest Alliance because of their eco-friendly harvesting practices. Apart from being environmentally friendly, the product also makes a fine cup of coffee. The Java Planet's medium roast is rich and smooth, and it will smell heavenly as it fills your kitchen with the aroma of an authentic Colombian blend. 3 of the top-rated richest organic coffee beans, which one do you fancy? All these come with different aromas, tastes, and prices that you might find desirable for you. There you have it, a fine selection of the 3 top-rated organic and ethically sourced medium roasted whole coffee beans. Shop the most exquisite coffee beans at any store near you, or you could try these selections that might suit your taste. Brew that heavenly cup of coffee that will knock your socks off and be an eco-friendly consumer that values their health. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up, it really helps with the channel to grow. Click that subscribe button and see you in the next video.